Learn about different types of bananas to understand their unique flavors, textures, uses, and cultural importance in cuisines around the world. Let's learn 60 types of bananas. Cavendish Banana. A global export fruit from Southeast Asia that boosts energy and heart health. Plantain. A cooking staple from Southeast Asia that's rich in fiber and aids digestion. Red Banana. A sweet, antioxidant-rich fruit from India that supports immunity and skin health. Lady Finger Banana. A small dessert banana from Australia that provides quick natural energy. Blue Java Banana. A creamy, vanilla-flavored fruit from Southeast Asia that helps muscle recovery. Burro Banana. A lemony, fiber-rich type from Central America that promotes healthy digestion. Manzano Banana. A sweet tart fruit from Central America that's rich in vitamins B6 and C. Pisang Raja. A dessert banana from Indonesia that supports metabolism and energy levels. Mysore Banana. A tangy sweet fruit from India that's high in antioxidants. Praying Hands Banana. A symbolic twin-fruited banana from the Philippines that lowers blood pressure. Dwarf Brazilian Banana. A compact, sweet type from Brazil that strengthens bones. Gros Michel. A creamy export banana from Southeast Asia that boosts energy and immunity. Goldfinger Banana. A hybrid from Honduras that's disease-resistant and supports gut health. Locatan Banana. A dessert banana from the Philippines that enhances skin and immune health. Saba Banana. A cooking variety from the Philippines that aids digestion and energy release. Blugo Banana. A frying banana from Southeast Asia that supports energy production. Nendran Banana. A starchy banana from India that supports gut bacteria and digestion. Poovan Banana. A sweet aromatic banana from India that boosts immunity. Rasthali Banana. A soft dessert banana from India that improves skin tone. Robusta Banana. A commercial type from India that balances blood pressure. Monthan Banana. A starchy variety from India that provides long-lasting energy. Pakinadan Banana. A high-yielding type from South India that aids digestion. Karpuravalli Banana. A sweet banana from Tamil Nadu that soothes acidity. Ilaki Banana. A small aromatic banana from South India that improves metabolism. Rajapuri Banana. A wind-resistant type from India that maintains potassium balance. Grand Nain Banana. An export variety from Asia that supports electrolyte balance. Pisang Awak. A versatile banana from Thailand that benefits heart and nerve health. Kluai Namwa. A garden banana from Thailand that supports gut health. Figue Pomme. An apple-flavored Caribbean banana that's rich in vitamin C. Khai Banana. An orange-fleshed Pacific fruit that supports vision with beta-carotene. Iholena Banana. A Polynesian staple from Hawaii that promotes eye health. Papalu Banana. A starchy Polynesian banana that provides sustained energy. Maoli Banana. An ancient Hawaiian variety that boosts endurance. Crew banana, a hardy West African banana that supports hydration. Chini Champa banana, a sweet banana from Bangladesh that provides instant energy. Bimkal banana, a medicinal variety from northeast India that soothes ulcers. Monthan Banana, a hybrid from India that boosts immunity. Rajapuri Banana, a sweet fruit from India that promotes heart health. Williams Banana, an export hybrid from Australia that supports weight control. Champa Banana, a fragrant banana from India that aids digestion. Kadhali Banana, a sweet Kerala variety that boosts iron levels. Congo Plantain, a cooking banana from Africa that provides slow energy. French Plantain, a large African banana that's an excellent energy source. Horn Plantain, a long African banana that aids weight control. False Horn Plantain, a West African cooking banana that promotes satiety. Dominico Banana, a sweet Colombian banana that boosts stamina. Guineo Banana, a Puerto Rican variety that reduces stress. Carrot Banana, an orange Micronesian fruit that promotes eye health. Kappal Banana, a Tamil Nadu cooking banana that regulates digestion. Ambon Banana, a soft Indonesian banana that helps blood pressure balance. Barangan Banana, a red-streaked Indonesian banana that's rich in antioxidants. Lucknow Banana, a soft Bangladeshi banana that supports energy release. Pelipita Banana, a hardy Philippine variety that boosts immunity. Guayabo Banana, a sweet Colombian variety that supports heart function. Congo Red Banana, a colorful African banana rich in antioxidants. Bagoya Banana, an aromatic Ugandan fruit that aids tissue repair. Khai Banana, a Thai dessert banana that improves mood. Mona Lisa Banana, a hybrid from Honduras that boosts immunity. Poyo Banana, a Guinean cooking banana that supports metabolism. Cunnin Banana, a medicinal Kerala banana that promotes digestion and detoxification. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillion. Thanks